Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. O saan ako maglaro ng bad parenting? Well, wala akong idea sa game na to. And yan, nakita ko lang siya, dinaload ko. And I think, dito natin malalaman kung paano maging bad parenting, I think. Or tayo yung bata, or tayo yung parents. So, magiging masamang magulang ba to? Tayo? So, wala tayong idea sa game na to. So, lalaroin natin siya. So, it's the time. Mr. Redface. Bilang tumayo balahibo ko dun sa... Ba't bilang tumayo balahibo ko? Saan? Okay. Tayo ba yung saan? Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Can you have some sympathy for me? Oh, sorry mom. But today is my birthday. Oh. Dapat sa mga anak that celebrate yung birthday. Kasi yung birthday lang naman once in a year lang naman yun eh. Dapat hindi yan kinakalimutan. Kahit pagod ka or what. Pwede ka magpahinga and celebrate after mo magpahinga, di ba? Pero yeah, once in a blue moon lang kasi yung birthday. Once in a year lang. So, wawa naman tong batang to. Oh, of course, I know that. Then where is my gift? Napagano si nanay. Ay, naku po. Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? Ginagaslit niya ba ako? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Okay. Really? Okay. Paano naman tayo? Ano yun? Parang, binibiro lang tayo ng nanay natin. Like, niloloko lang tayo. Parang, of course! If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. Okay, I'm going to bed right now, Mom. Okay. Tayo ba yan? Ba't mo kamukha niya si Gru? Tatay ko yan. Tatay ko si Gru. Nandito ba yung mga despicable, yung mga minions? You're fooling the kid again. How many times have you come home this late? I was working and my shift ended late. Bullshit. You still think I'm an idiot, don't you? Uy, putak ka, ang creepy mo. Hey, little shiz, get back to your room. Okay, ang creepy niya, parang siyang si Gru. Don't stand here eavesdropping on grown-up conversation. Okay. So, nakatayo lang sila dyan ni tatay. Ano, magsusumo ba kayo? Magta-WWE? Bigyan ko ba kayo ng gloves? Okay, so dito yung mga minions mo, tay. So, ito yung kitchen natin. Wala man lang tayong kagamit-gamit sa sala. Ito ba yung room natin? Good. No, basically, ito yung room ng mga nanay-tatay natin. Yeah, kasi dalawa. And may TV. Pwede ba natin close? Nope. So, nakatayo pa rin sila doon. Oh, may gulay. Ang creepy. What? Open. Ano yan? Pintuan ng mall kung saan nagsasara? So, anong meron tayo dito? May upuan tayo. May lamesa and may tissue. Para saan yung tissue? Okay. Alam mo yung... Wag. No spoiling, please. No spoiler. Okay, so... Naghihele. Sino naghihele sa atin? Ay, makakatulog tayo dyan. I think. May footstep? May footstep ba? Oh, may footstep. Ginawa niya ba tayo? Kala ko babuksan niya yung ilaw! What? Siya ba si Mr. Redface? Oh, siya nga si Mr. Redface. Ano gagawin niya? Uy, putak, ba't ganun? Ba't nagpa-flash? Hello? Oh, may tinago siya dito? Aparador. Is that the gift from Mr. Redface? No way! Ito, ba't ganyan? Ba't kamukha ako? Hi, I'm Ron. What? You can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. Wow, magikero pala si Mr. Redface. Akala ko si Santa Claus lang. You even have the same name and appearance as me. That's right. My master made me just for you. But your neck seems a bit loose. Kaya nga, bakit nakaganyan ka? Alam niyo ba, pag nagsiselfone ako, tapos nanonood ng reels, nakaganyan ako, di ako sanay. Ba't di ako sanay na nakaganyan? Oo, nakaganon ako. Wala lang, naalala ko lang dito sa dal na to, it's okay, sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just a small few compared to the other dolls. What's important is that from now and I'll be your best friend. Also, may instant best friend tayo from Mr. Redface. Well, thank you Mr. Redface kung sino ka man. That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me? Of course, I want to. My master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Okay. So, wait, parang may nagwawala. But ano yan? May tinago silang OFW ba dyan? The closet is still locked. Stuck? Can I try it again? Paano yan? Pintuan ng Narnia? May lagusan ba niya papuntang Narnia? Hindi talaga siya mabuksan. Dali. I'm gonna call you Dali. I'll try my best. I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else? I'm hungry. You're a doll. Can you even eat? Oo nga naman. Doll ka lang naman. No, you'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. Also, parang naka-connected, parang Bluetooth device. Parang Bluetooth, guys. Naka-connect siya sa atin. Wireless. My master link all your senses and emotions to me, so I can easily understand you. Wow, that's amazing. So, pag pinatay tong doll, ibig sabihin, mamamatay na rin ako. Yeah, parang ganun. So, may ginagawa ata sila nanay at tatay sa loob. So, yeah. Kakaibang ginagawa and wala na sila dun sa pinto. So, anong gusto mo, Mr. Red? I mean, doll. Cute mo, ah. Nakatayo ang putik. Ang cute eh. Ang cute oh. So, anong dapat kong gawin? You're reading this letter at 1 p.m. Aren't you sleepyhead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know, I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take care of your medicine after eating. So, di ba tayo nalagaan ng tatay natin? Nasa yung tatay natin? Unemployed na nga yung tatay natin, tapos oh, my favorite, spaghetti. Spaghetti or lasagna, I don't know. So, saan natin lalapag to? Siya ba yung kakain? Siya yung kakain, di ba? Oh, heat pala, heat. Okay, my bad. Papaya kainin na. I mean, papainitin natin. So, is that your favorite dish? Do you want me to see me perform some magic? Yes, please. Alright. I'll make this plate of food never run out. Wow. Infinite. Ano ka nakalakay, Patcher? Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. O nga no? Hindi. Nababawasan eh. Kahit ako napamangha eh. Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do? Okay, i-spirit glass siya gamit yung alak. Bote ng alak. Yan, nag-i-spirit glass siya, guys. Umiinom yung dal ng alak. What just happened? Si Mr. Redface ba yun? I don't know, you guess. Oh no, the bottle. When that's gonna whip my ass. Oh man. Papaluin tayo sa puwet. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. What did you say? Uy, balik mo tatay ko. Saan? Dito? Uy! Uy! Lo! Nakapag-teleport ka rin? Where's my dad? As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad is a bad person. Yes, he is. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by my master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. He deserved that. Kid. Kid. He deserved that, bata. Please lang. I don't know if laro na lang natin. He's a bad person. No, he's not. Please, let my dad go. I'm begging you. Please, nagmamakawa ko. Ngayon na lang ulit ako nagbibeg. Alright, but my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad is being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him. Show me the way. The shortcut is through your closet. Okay. Yung hindi nabubuksan na closet. Pwede ba dito? Nope. Sa closet nga natin. What? Hindi na agad siya. Ang cute niya oh. May tinuturo siya. Okay. Nandiyan ba yung tatay ko sa loob? Baka nandiyan yung tatay ko sa loob. You still can't open it. That's disappointing. I guess we'll have to use your parents' closet then. So, sama ka na. Dito ka na sa balikat ko. Magte-teleport ka naman eh. Pwede ba i-teleport mo na lang ako? Hindi yung lakad-lakad pa ako. Oh, see? Nandito ka na agad. What? You should know that this closet can function as portals, yeah. Parang pintuan niya ng Narnia. They can take you anywhere you want, including where your dad is being held. Give it a try, okay? Okay, ang creep. There's nothing in here. Alright, I forgot. There are a few steps you need to take to activate this shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in the front of the closet. Okay, my dad's radio. So magpapatugtog ba tayo ng mga old song? This radio will work like on elevator button. You need to select a frequent first. If you choose the right frequency, the door will open up to the place you need to go. Okay. Need ko pumunta sa pintuan ng Narnia. Please lang. Okay. Ito ba? Seems like that's not it. Let's try again, okay? Please lang. Pintuan papunta sa tatay ko. Oh my God. Please lang. Wag. Ano yun? Ay. I think this is the one, okay? Go ahead and step in. I'll stay here and watch the house. So, isa ka rin palang bantay. Are you a guardian spirit? I mean, yeah. Spirit guardian, I don't know. Pero papasok na sa portal kung nasan yung tatay ko, ililigtas ko siya. What the hell? Ano na, may nagka-campfire? Ito ba yung pusa sa Caroline? Cat. Meow! What's up? I'm looking for my dad. Describe! My dad's name is Bruce. Bruce Banner. Si Hawk? Wait a moment. Okay, titignan niya sa libro. Ano to? Pintuan papuntang langit? Titignan mo ba yung tatay ko kung may kasalanan ba siya? There are many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or bad Bruce? Okay, bad Bruce or good Bruce? I don't know. Well, my dad is the kind of person who gets a bit angry. So he's a bad Bruce. Let me see. Okay, si bad Bruce. Bad Bruce siya, guys. There are still many bad Bruces. More specific, please. What else does he do? He often yells. Still not enough information. Sometimes he hits me. And slaps me too. Oh, bad person niya. I think he deserved ng tatay mo mapunta sa kung ano man, nasan man siya. And that's all. The door is behind you. Oh. Okay. Uy! Oh! Hala, tumawa? Boo. Ang cute ng putik. Ang cute ng gulat nila yung he just got started. Who are you guys? Just like you, we're kids on our way to find our parents. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Okay, see you later. Ang cute to. Itong isa naglaro ng bonfire, so balik ka siguro sa apoy. And ikaw, mas ka dyan sa sasakyan? Is that your car? Ba't parang sasakyan ni Benten? Tapos ito naman, okay, di ko alam. Tulungan ba kita? Oo, nakakalayas ka naman dyan. Ba't parang gusto niya ng tulong? Okay, stay ka lang dyan. And yeah, I think okay naman siya. So ito yung papunta sa tatay natin. Dad? Nanginginig tatay natin. Parang nakakakita ka ng multo tay. Please stop punishing me. It's me, Dad. Please stop punishing me. What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home. Or Mr. Redface will take both of us. Please stop punishing me. Who's punishing you? Is someone punishing you? Is anyone punishing you? May punta ba dito? Saan tayo? Dito ba? Public ba dito? Spell. What is spell? Spell. Okay. S-P-E-L-L. I think all good! Nakatulog tayo sa parador ng Narnia. Ang cute. Hello, ma'am. Diyan ka pala, ma'am. Wala, nanonood ka ba reels? Ba't tatabing yung ulo mo? What the heck? Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Oh, Mr. Redface has taken Dad. Oh boy, ang cute niya oh. Oh, well, that's a good thing then. I'm not joking. It's a long story. Let me explain. How is your doll run doing today? Is it alright? The doll? Mom, how do you know about it? Of course, I know since you have taken your medicine today. Oh nga pala, nakalimutan ko i-take yung medicine ko. This isn't the first time you've had such hallucinations. Every time you tell a different story, but the common factor is always the stupid doll. Don't you remember the previous times? No. I don't know what is wrong with you. Just go to bed. It's midnight already. So, Mom, where are you looking at? I love you, Mom. Love you. Good night, Mommy. And wala si tatay. Ito daw yung key papunta sa Narnia, don't know. And asan si Ron? Asan yung doll? Hindi ba? Oh, may gulay. Asan yung manika? What the heck? Hoy! Ba't ka dyan? What the heck? But what the? Oh, Mom? What just happened, son? Are you alright? Hindi, nakakita ko nun nilalang si Redface. Kita ko si Redface, si Gru. Bro, ang creepy naman ng nanay natin. Oh no, she's taking care of us. Do you feel better now? Yeah, Mom. Well, Mom is the best, guys. Mama's knows best. Yeah, Mom. It's Mr. Redface. It's alright. Tomorrow I'll take a day off to stay home and take care of you. See? Guys, the best ang mga nanay. Really? Promise me, Mom. I promise. Now go back to your sleep. Okay. Yes, Mom. Okay, tutulog na tayo. At parang creepy nung game. Akala ko parang bad parenting, like, ano lang siya, papaluin tayo. Like, bad parent. Hindi maganda pag ano, Mom? You've broken the promise again. Lo, si nanay natin. Lo. Una yung regalo. So, we need to take, no, hindi natin need. Una yung regalo na galing daw kay Mr. Redface na once na natutulog daw. What? Huh? Ba't naging Muslim? Hindi. Ba't naging ganito na siya? Nabugbog siya? What happened to you? My master beat the shit out of me. He wasn't happy about that. What happened yesterday? I'm sorry, this is my fault. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. Oh no! Pati yung nanay natin! Ang cute natin, may uhog tayo dito. May uhog, sipon. What? It just happened. I'm sorry, I couldn't stop him. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too. No, I have to save my mom and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Oh, bro, nakakaawa yung dal. What? Oh, nagulat siya. I found this at my dad's prison. I think it might help us defeat him. That's the spell to defeat Mr. Redface. Come on, quickly go into the closet to find where your mom is being held. Okay. Go to the closet. Di ba kita pwede dalhin? Nakakaawa naman siya. Please, bro, I'm gonna take care of you. Let me take care of you, please. Please. Oh. What? Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Quickly throw the spell in it and take cover. Take cover? Ba't ito yung mga bata? Papasok ba niya si Mr. Redface? Papasok nga siya. Bro, ang creepy niya. Ba't parang katawan niya si Groot, tas kamukha niya pa? Naliwanag ba? Oh, lumiwanag nga. See? It's a magic, bro. It's magic, guys. It's a magic. Anong pinapanood nyo? Ikaw saan ka nakasilip sa gulong? What? Hey. Oh, mabalik na ba ako? Please. Please, ayoko ng jumpscare. Please lang. What? Uy! La! What's happening to you? My master has been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry, this is what I wanted. No, yung instant friend natin naging instant Ash. Yeah. You should go outside and see your parents. Okay. Andiyan na ba sila? Andiyan na ba sila? Oh, ayun nga sila. Mami, sabi ko sa'yo, totoo yung... What? Son? Mom? Dad? Y'all are free now. You've been having an affair, haven't you? I told you I was busy with work. Liar! You've been neglecting this family for another man. Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son? And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? Homeless ka nga eh. Tsaka unemployed. Okay. You're just at home leeching off me all year round. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support. Oh, tama nga naman. May karapatan siya. Still, if siya yung nagpo-provide, isa sa kanila, may karapatan siya magreklamo. Siyempre, ikaw mapagod sa work, tapos kanyang padadatnan mo, lasinggerong asawa. Tapos, abusive husband pa. And if you still think I'm a whore, you're lowering yourself even below that. Oh, putak, tika. Ano ba kita sapakin? One more word. Fine. You and I will get a divorce. Oh, ang maapektuhan dito, guys, yung bata, alam niyo yan. One of us will have to move out of this house. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my son and leave. Oh, tayo pala yan. If you're still here tomorrow, I'll take my son and leave. You stay right there. Putak, tinasan si tatay. Ma'am, kaya ko buksan yung pinto. Okay. Oh, naglalasing na siya. Bro, saglit lang nawala si nanay, naglasing ka na agad. See? Is not a good dad, guys. Uy! Oh! Ah! Oh, siya nga si Redface! I won't let this happen. Siya yung Mr. Redface na nagbigay ng... Bro, ang creepy. What the heck? No, please. No, please. Bro, what? No, 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 no. This cannot be true. I'm very sorry, Ron. Your closet, I think you're able to open it now. Nandiyan si Daddy. Ikaw ba yan? Can we close the door? Baka pumasok si tatay. What? What? Anong ginawa sa... This is me? Me? Wait, I don't know anything about this. You've always known. Because I'm the unknowing part of you. You try to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and your dad. And me, I have to find a way to lead you back to the reality. Ba't naiyak ako? Ba't naiyak ako? Oh man, hell no, please. No, don't. Ayoko umiyak sa stream. I mean, ayoko umiyak dito. Ayoko umiyak dito. What the heck? I tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? Tick tock, boom. All the memories disappear. You once again take up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you. How long have I been dead? Ang tagal na rin. Ibig sabihin, ang tagal niya sa closet. 14 days. Halos isang linggo. Hindi. 7 plus 7, 14. Oh my gulay. 2 weeks. I can't have been that long. What really happened to my parents? As your dad is hiding in that cheap motel room. What the freak? Ang creepy! Tayo ba yan? Go home with me, Dad. So, minumulto tayo. I mean, minumulto natin yung tatay natin. So, minumulto natin yung tatay natin, guys. Oh, man. What the heck? So, yun ang reason bakit nanginginig yung tatay natin dun sa part yun. Oh, gets. So, yung nakuha natin, it's a ticket motel. So, galing yun sa motel yung ticket na yun. So, nagtatago siya sa motel. Okay, nagigets ko na yung pero yeah, nakakaiyak. What the heck? What about my mom? She still sees me? Doesn't she? That's right, because she's only home late at night. So, 14 days, 7 weeks ang lumipas. So, but if it's daytime, so, pinatay tayo nung araw, nung birthday natin. Yan ba yung regalo ng tatay natin para sa atin? Sisipon ako, guys. Naiyak ako, what the heck? Oh, ito ba yung POV ng nanay? Saan? Chinek niyo tayo sa aparador. Oh, man. No, hell no. Please. Please. Huwag kayong ganyan. At dahil akala ko bad parenting lang. I know na, hindi naman naabot sa ganito. Bro. Matay, balahibo ko. Mga senderman. Do you have any clues about your husband's hiding place? Bro, nakakaaway nanay natin. Okay. Just drop something. Ito yung time na umiiyak yung nanay natin. Nakita ko yung nanay natin doon sa may pinto bago natin ihagis yung card, motel card. Ito yung door. So, may nag-sleep. So, yun yung portal. So, all that time, multo na lang tayo. What is that? It's a motel card. But I'm not sure it's mine. So, ibig sabihin sa asawa mo yan. Bro. Matay balahibo ko, what the heck? Bro, I know. It's, ang babaw ng dahilan para umiyak. Killer father arrested. Siya, kamukha niya siguro. Ang babaw ng dahilan para umiyak. Oh, no. Oh, man. I feel bad for you, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Don't tell me. Okay, don't tell me. Don't tell me na namatay itong mga batang to kung nasan sila nakapwesto. So tayo nasa aparador, yung isa nasa sasakyan, yung isa namatay sa apoy, sa campfire, yung isa nasa libingan. No, I know. Napakababaw na dahil parang umiyak. It's just a game. It's just a game, guys. Pero alam niyo ba, this is a based sa true story. Kung saan nangyayari mga ganitong bagay na nagde-divorce yung mag-asawa. And ang naapektuhan is yung anak. Naapektuhan yung anak. Once na magdi-divorce yung isang pamilya, yung mag-asawa. Alam niyo yung kawawa doon. Alam niyo kung sino kawawa doon yung anak. Di niya alam kung saan siya mamimili. Sa tatay ba? Sa nanay? And ang pinakamasakit na part is pwedeng maging cause ng pagkamatay ng anak. Like, pwede sila patayin. Like, hindi ako papayag na yung ginangyari dito kay Ron. Excuse me. Umiyak ako, tapos nadigay pa. Tapos, doon naman sa part na hindi pa ako tapos umiyak my gulay. So, hindi lang to nangyayari kay Ron, kundi nangyari din to sa tatlong bata na nasa sasakyan, nasa campfire, sinunog siya, and yung isa nasa hukay. It means nilibing siya. Nakakaawa. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung what the heck? Ma-imagine na kayang gawin yun ng iba. But yung yung anak pa yung dinadamay nila. Like, ang dami naman pwede maging mapag-awayan. I mean, pwede mag-away, magdi-divorce sila. Pero, hindi man pwede umantong sa ganito. Like, bakit? Pwede naman mamili yung bata. Well, iba talaga kasi pag yung tatay ng bata, yung asawa ng babae, is addict or lasinggero, ganun, lalo na, okay lang naman yung, I think okay lang naman. Hindi okay yung naninigarilyo, pero masama pa rin sa bata. Bad pa rin yung manigarilyo, pero I think mas better siya kaysa dun sa umiinom ng alak. Kasi once na yung asawa mo umiinom ng alak, iba na kasi ginagawa niya. Pwede kasaktan, pwede manakit, pwede madama yung anak. Diba? Lalo na pag nag-aaway kayo. Diba? May time pa na, I'm sorry guys, pero, yeah, malala yung tatay na umiinom eh. Pero I think may iba naman na tatay na, ewan ko, nakokontrol nila. Pero, yeah, bakit kung may kailangan numantong sa ganito? Hindi ko maintindihan, nakakainis yung mga, nakakainis yung ibang magulang. Hindi lang naman yung tatay eh. Minsan may, gayon ding babae, may asawa din na babae. Minsan may time na, yung babae yung mabuti, lalaki yung mabuti, babae yung lasinggera, masama. So, minsan, hindi lumalaban yung lalaki dun sa asawa niyang babae. Kasi, may iba talagang asawa na under sila ng asawa nilang babae. And may iba namang asawa na under sila ng lalaki. Nakadepende sa pamilya or nasa usapan nyo bago kayo magkakilala. Kung kinilala mo muna siya ng buo. Well, I think hindi naman siguro hantong sa ganito. Pero may ibang circumstances na pwede humantong sa hiwalayan. Like, sa pera, sa kung ano-ano. Well, walang masasaktan doon. Lalo na kung okay yung asawa mo. Walang bisyo. Diba? Okay kayo doon. Pero yung ganito, like, sobra na. I don't know if nakadroga ba itong asawa niya. And, umiinom. Malala yun. Pag pinagsama, malala yung epekto nun. So, amen. Wala sa sarili So, I think, kind of bad, na may ganito nangyayari. So, maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nalungkot kayo sa panibago kong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Well, thank you. Kita na lang tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat guys. Bye-bye.